Thank you so much. My project is called ICT Device Detection System. It's developed using Python, Keras, TensorFlow, and Gradio. Yes, in the meantime, this system is trained to classify 5 ICT devices. I choose 5 classes: keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer, and speaker using image data. Then also I used approximately 200 images per class. I applied authentication and trained a mobile net V2 neural network model using tensor learning. So the data was split into 70% for training and 30% for testing, and the model achieved 97.64% accuracy. Yes, here also to improve the usability, I developed the modern Gradio interface where user can upload an image and instantly receive a prediction with confidence score, so that a user can be aware of how the output is confident. If the confidence is below 15%, the system will display unclassified device to avoid unreliable prediction. So let us run this and see how it is working. For example, let me use these links here, then try to predict our devices. Yeah, you see here you have an icon here for uploading image, and once I upload image, for example, let me upload this one. As you see, this should be classified in speaker, of course, here, because it's speaker. Let me detect it, and let us see its class and how it's accurate in that class. So we should wait a little bit. As you see, this is the speaker with confidence 89.78, right? So let me change, upload another device. For example, I may come and upload this one. Let me upload this one and also detect it. I should click on detect device. You see now, yes, you see now is the mouse with confidence 99.61. Actually, this model is reliable. You see? Then let me change and upload another one. Maybe I may come and use this one. Let us use this one and see its class here. Now is keyboard for 98.53%. Do you see? Yeah, just that is. Also, I can just upload another one here. Let us upload like this one. Actually, this is not one of these devices. Let us see what we display. Let us also detect it. Yeah, as you see, is an unclassified device with confidence 47.90. So this is how my system works. So, and is very important because in nowadays you can use it, for example, in different fields. You can use it while you are teaching about basics on computer devices, also while you are training people to use computer devices. So thank you. This is how it works.